Whether she's your crush or your girlfriend, she gives you butterflies, and you feel incredible when you see her name pop up in a notification. But what can you text her that'll make her blush and smile? We'll walk you through sweet texts to send your girl that'll make her heart melt and show her how much you care. 1. Bring up one of her favorite topics. Show her that you care about what she likes. Watch her favorite movie, listen to her favorite song, or try out that cool sushi place she mentioned. Then, text her what you thought about it. You'll make her feel special and start a great conversation at the same time. If you're not sure what she likes, look through her social media feed for inspiration or ask her for book, movie, or song recommendations. For instance, if she's really into a sport, read up on her favorite players or athletes to say something like, "Tobin Heath has a new #1 fan today. Guess who it is?" 2. Give her a compliment that's not about her looks. Make her blush by flattering her a little. You can't really go wrong with a sweet, genuine compliment. But if you really want to make her smile and build connection, try complimenting something beyond just the way she looks. Think about what makes her special to you, and tell her what you appreciate about her energy, personality, or her mind. 3. Make a list of reasons why she's amazing. Describe 3 to 10 things you just love about her. If you can come up with more, feel free. Talk about moments you've shared together, funny things she's done, and things she's taught you. You can also talk about why you admire her and her accomplishments. 4. Tell her you can't stop thinking about her. Send her a cute reminder that she's always on your mind. She'll feel special when she knows that you care about her enough to think about her randomly throughout the day. This technique's probably best for a girl you're dating or know really well, so it doesn't come off as over the top. You can try. "You showed up in my dream last night." Smiling face. "I'm trying to focus, but I can't stop thinking about you." 5. Send her a supportive message. Let her know you've got her back through tough times. When she's having a rough day, she might really need that extra boost. Cheer her up and remind her she's incredible through a simple text to basically say, "You've got this." Remind her of a time when she was super successful. "You did so well on the last presentation. You're going to crush this one." Tell her what she can look forward to once the tough situation's over. "After your test tomorrow, wanna get ice cream to celebrate?" Shoot her a simple message to say that you're there for her. "Let me know if you need any help. I believe in you." 6. Bring up your favorite memory of her. Let her know that the time you spend with her is worth remembering. Think about something you two did together or even a moment where she did something cute. Bring up where you were, what you two were doing, and most of all, how it made you feel. Ask if she remembers the occasion, too. 7. Send her a good morning or good night text. She'll know she's special if she's your first and last thought every day. Tell her you're looking forward to seeing her if it's the morning, or just tell her you're sending good vibes for the day. If you're just about to head to sleep, tell her she's on your mind. If you two are in a relationship, or you know she likes you, you can even say you hope she'll show up in your dreams. 8. Ask her genuine questions. Good questions show her you value her thoughts and opinions. If you're in a relationship, she'll feel heard and special when you ask about her life, dreams, and goals. If you don't know her as well, you can ask questions about her hobbies, events she's mentioned, and her favorite things. For an everyday conversation, ask a specific question like, "How'd your presentation go?" instead of asking a more general question like, "How was your day?" For a crush you don't know well, ask something like, "What are your top 3 favorite things in life?" For a deeper conversation, ask something like, "Hey, what's something you've always dreamed about doing? Why haven't you gotten to do it yet?" 9. Tell her she's your ideal partner in crime. Use this text to tell her how much you like spending time with her. It's like saying you'd pick her to be on your team. Pick a serious activity like growing old together or traveling around the world if you're in a relationship. But if she's your crush, or if you want to tone down the romantic mood, choose a silly activity like surviving the zombie apocalypse. If you know the feelings are mutual, say something like, "There's no one else I'd rather spend every day with." 10. Send her the digital version of a classic gift. This cute gesture is an easy way to make her smile. Send her a few emojis of classic romantic gifts like flowers or chocolate. Even though it's not a physical gift, it's a nice way to show her you care. You can even say something like, "This is a placeholder until I can bring you the real thing." Send her a text that says, "Knock knock." When she says, "Who's there?" send back, "Flower delivery for you, rose rose rose." 11. Text her a song that reminds you of her. Music can be a romantic way to express how she makes you feel. Either make a playlist, or send her an individual song that makes you think of her. If you can, send a song you two listened to together. You could even use this as a way to start a conversation by creating a playlist together. Send your song with a text like, "This makes me think of you every time I hear it." Or try something like, 12. Share little moments from your day. Send photo updates to make her feel included and important in your life. Sharing photos from your day does two key things. First, it makes her feel like she's the person you want to turn to when something fun or interesting happens in your life. Second, a photo from you brings you to the top of her mind, which is especially awesome if you two aren't in a relationship yet. Just don't overdo it with this one. Send her one photo from your day, and if she sends photos back, you can send more. "This is what I look like when I'm thinking about you." Pair this text with a cute or over-the-top selfie. 13. Send a simple appreciation text. Write a genuine text telling her that she matters to you. This one almost seems like the easy way out, but trust us, you can't go wrong with true gratitude. Tell her about a moment when you realized she was important to you. Or just keep it really simple and say, "I'm so grateful for you." Expressing gratitude can even boost your own positive feelings. 14. Let her know when you miss her. Talk about what it feels like when she's not around. Sending an "I miss you" text once in a while is the ultimate way to say, "You're important to me." Just be careful not to overload her with a "miss you" text every time she steps out of the room. Like, "Class didn't feel the same without you. I'll see you Friday." 15. Ask her for advice. This text proves she's your confidant and that you trust her. People feel special when they know you value what they have to say. If you know her well or are in a relationship, ask for advice on something serious. But if you aren't that close yet, ask for her opinion on something a little silly. You could even ask for a recommendation like, "You clearly have awesome taste in restaurants. Where can I get the best sushi?" Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more video.